Here's Madison eating her first applesauce.
Say yum. You ready? Whoa, you're getting excited. Open your mouth. Here. Oh, goodness. You ready? Open your mouth.
I think she likes it.
Yeah, I think so too. Okay, here. This works usually. Hold Mama's finger. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Okay, I'll let Daddy feed the rest because you're not working with me today.
That was Madison eating her first applesauce.